It starts with a notification on your phone, then a siren, then the sun comes out at midnight. If you see the flash, do not look at it. If you look, you are blind. If you are hearing this, you survived the thermal pulse. You survived the shockwave. But the real war hasn't even started yet. Look at your watch. You have exactly 15 minutes. That is how long it takes for the mushroom cloud to cool, condense, and start raining radioactive death back down on your roof. It's called fallout, and it is coming. Most people are going to die in the next 24 hours, not from the bomb, but from stupidity. They will panic. They will run to their cars. They will get stuck on the highway and cook in their seats. Do not be them. You have 15 minutes to turn your home into a fortress. Here are the 6 absolute laws to surviving the first 72 hours of World War III. Move. Step 1. Unfreeze. Right now, your brain is flooded with cortisol. You are in shock. You are the deer in the headlights. If you freeze, you die. You need to override your biology. Scream, slap your face, do whatever it takes to break the loop. Ignore the urge to pack a bag. Ignore the urge to call your relatives. The cell towers are gone or jammed anyway. Your priority is simple. Get inside. If you are outside, get in. If you are inside, stay there. Do not get in your car. The roads are about to become the largest graveyard in human history. You are staying put. Step 2. Find the core. Radiation travels in straight lines, but it can penetrate walls. Glass is zero protection. Wood is weak. Brick is okay. Earth and concrete are king. Go to the center of your building. A basement is best. No basement? Find an interior hallway or a room with no windows. Put as much mass between you and the outside world as possible. Bookshelves, mattresses, furniture. Stack them against the walls of your safe room. You are building a cave inside your house. Physics check. Every inch of concrete cuts radiation by 50%. You are playing a game of numbers with invisible bullets. Stack the odds in your favor. Step 3. Seal the breach. Fallout isn't a gas, it's dust. Heavy, sandy, radioactive dust. If it gets inside your house, into your lungs, it will burn you from the inside out. Close every window, close every door, close the fireplace damper, turn off the AC, turn off the heater. You need to stop the air exchange. Grab duct tape, plastic sheeting, towels. Tape up the cracks around the door. Jam wet towels under the gap. But listen to me. Do not create a coffin. You still need oxygen. Don't seal a tiny room so tight that you suffocate from CO2 in 3 hours. Leave a small vent high up if you have to, with a filter over it. You are filtering particles, not air molecules. Keep the dust out, and you keep the sickness out. Step 4. The water grab. The blast has likely shattered water mains or knocked out the pumps. What is in the pipes right now is the last clean water you will see for months. If the water is still running, fill everything. Fill the bathtub, fill the sinks, fill pots, buckets, and bottles. Do it now. In an hour, the water coming out of that tap might be contaminated with fallout. Rule of thumb, you need 1 gallon per person per day. That bathtub isn't for bathing, it is a giant tank of life. Cover it with plastic so dust doesn't fall in. Whatever you do, do not drink from the tap after the fallout starts raining. That is a cocktail of death. Step 5. Embrace the silence. The grid is down. The internet is gone. You will hear explosions. You will hear screaming. You will hear people banging on your door, begging to be let in. This is the hardest part. Do not open the door. It sounds cruel. It is cruel. But if you open that seal, you let the fallout in. You kill everyone inside to save one person who is likely already dead. If you have a radio, listen. If not, preserve your batteries. Do not try to leave. Fallout is most deadly in the first 48 hours. The 7-10 rule says that for every 7-fold increase in time, radiation drops by a factor of 10. After 24 hours, it is less deadly. After 48 hours, it is manageable. You have to wait it out. Sit in the dark, eat cold beans, and wait. Step 6. The exit strategy. Don't move until you have to, or until the radio gives the all clear. When you finally step out, the world will look different. It will be gray. It will be silent. Cover your skin. Wear a mask. Don't touch anything you don't have to. You survived the blast. You survived the fallout. Now begins the era of survival. You are not a civilian anymore. You are a survivor of the Great Reset. Prepare your mind. The easy part is over. Subscribe to survive. This is the last log.